Today, we're going to be making my famous Mexican cornbread. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, I'm going to start off with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then I got a cup of granulated fine ground sugar. I'm going to need a half teaspoon of salt. 1 whole tablespoon of baking powder. I got me a little whisk, or if you got a spoon, you want to mix this up and you want to mix it up very well. 1 cup of yellow cornmeal. That's going to make our cornbread, and we're going to continue whisking this until this is very much incorporated. Can of Mexican corn. Okay, so I have a chopper, which is like a small blender, and I'm going to blend this corn up like I'm making cream corn. Okay, so now I put a little bit more. I started off with a half a cup. We're doing another half cup, maybe a whole cup to this if you want to. If you want to do a half cup, you can. I like mine to be really like a Mexican corn. Okay, I need 2 eggs. Okay, so now we're going to take it. We're going to beat our eggs with our cordless mixer. Oh, I love this mixer. 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Let's mix that around. 1 cup of milk. You can use any milk you desire. 1/4 cup of honey that goes in here. Another quick stir on the dry ingredients. Then I'm going to pour this wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Get everything out of my bowl. Taking my mix. You can do it by hand too, but since I got this out and I really like this, I thought it would be better for me to mix it up with the blender right quick. Now we have this Mexican corn. You see that? I already made it like a baby food mush. It's about a cup. That smells so good. I'm just gonna mix this up really good in here and fold this all around. Okay, I sprayed it with nonstick spray. You can do baking spray, or you can do butter, or you can do olive oil, whatever you have in a nonstick spray. I've got butter in this one because I want it to be nice and buttery cornbread. I'm going to pour this mix into my 8-inch pan here. It's a deep dish pan. It's a really cute pan. I like it. It's going to rise up really good, make a really nice, good pan of cornbread. You can put this in the oven at 350 or 325. It's up to you if you want to cook it slowly. Okay, once you put it in the oven, cook this to 20 to 25 minutes. Check it every 15 minutes. Make sure it's not cooking fast. Be Sure to Seasoning Blend was created by the founder of Besureto, using vegetables and bold flavor to give food great taste without needing salt. They can enjoy Be Sure to Seasoning Blend in a 9.6 ounce bottle, perfect for seasoning normal dishes at home. It works well on beef, pork, poultry, and seafood. It's also great on hot meals and cold salads. So savor the flavor, cook with confidence, and order yours at besuretocook.com. Okay, I have took my Mexican cornbread out of the oven and I have let it cool. And let's look at it. So let's cut a piece of this Mexican cornbread and let's look inside. This is delicious. It looks so good. Mexican cornbread. Look at that. And it's really moist inside. It has corn. These are your corn in there. And you can see all the honey inside here. Oh, that is delicious. Here it is, guys, my Mexican cornbread. I hope you enjoyed this dish because I did. I love eating this. It is so delicious. If you make it, you will never go back to regular cornbread. You will always think of Mexican cornbread, especially on wonderful occasions. So please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey, because guess what? I didn't make this cornbread alone. You and me, we did this together, and we can make plenty more dishes. Hey, see you next time. Bye.